How to use programming languages in the cryptocurrency market. Programming languages play a crucial role in the cryptocurrency market, where they are used to develop both the cryptocurrencies themselves and the applications and infrastructure that support them. Here is an overview of the main programming languages in the cryptocurrency market. Solidity. Solidity is a programming language used to write smart contracts on the Ethereum platform. Smart contracts are autonomous programs that automatically execute the terms of an agreement when certain conditions are met. Solidity is a high-level language inspired by JavaScript and is the predominant choice for developers building decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Vyper. Vyper is an alternative programming language for writing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It is designed to be safer and simpler than Solidity by removing some functionality that may be prone to errors or security exploits. Vyper has a similar syntax to Python and has been gaining popularity among developers looking for a safer alternative to Solidity. Bitcoin script. Bitcoin script is a programming language used to write scripts that determine the conditions under which Bitcoin transactions can be spent. While not as powerful or flexible as languages used on platforms like Ethereum, Bitcoin script allows for a variety of functionality such as simple contracts and time contracts. Rust. Rust is a system programming language that has gained popularity in building blockchain infrastructure and cryptocurrencies. Due to its strong emphasis on security and performance, Rust is chosen by many cryptocurrency projects to develop nodes, wallets, and other critical infrastructure components. C++. C++ is a programming language widely used in more established cryptocurrency projects such as Bitcoin and Litecoin. Many of the nodes and wallet implementations of these cryptocurrencies are written in C++ due to its performance and efficiency. JavaScript. Although not as commonly associated with blockchain and cryptocurrency development as other languages, JavaScript is used in a number of related areas. For example, it is often used to develop front-end applications for DApps and for user interface interactions in wallet applications. These are just some of the programming languages that play a role in the cryptocurrency market. The choice of programming language depends on the specific project, its security, performance and scalability needs, as well as the preferences and skills of the developers involved. Thank you, guys.